Hey good people, welcome back to Raian.AQI. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be talking about scent subscription services. I have one. They're based in the UK. Are they good?
Hold up.
For this scent subscription service that I have, I've tried PerfumeSplash. So I'm going to talk to you about what a scent subscription service actually does, the pros and cons of this particular service, and I'm not going to actually tell you whether you should buy it or not. I'm going to let you make the judgment for yourself. Every month you pay a small fee, around £15, you get a travel size fragrance which should be enough to last you the month, and the aim of it is to discover new fragrances, see which ones you like, and then you might even go on to buy the full bottle. The purpose of it is to try before you buy, and you don't get 2ml fragrances that last you about 3 wearings. You get a whole month's supply. So what you get from PerfumeSplash, you get a metal lipstick atomizer which has a vial, 10ml of fragrance. Put it in there like that, and then you can twist it whenever you want to spray it. Very portable, easy to take around, and it looks nice as well. So ideally you buy one of these for the first month, which will cost you around £15. Then every month they'll send you a random fragrance from the selection that you pick from, fresh, spicy, oriental, that type of thing, and they have different fragrances within a class. You pick the class, they pick a random fragrance for you to discover, and every month you'll get to keep this lipstick atomizer, and then you put a new vial inside when you're done. So this particular fragrance that I got is actually Polo Sport. They send you this card with the information, the notes of the fragrance when you get your monthly box. This came with it. This is the fragrance. So in terms of the fragrance itself, this is where this may not be worth it, because if this cost someone £15, you could buy a full bottle of this for maybe £10 more and get 10 times the fragrance. So that's where this could be an issue. But on the other hand, there are very expensive fragrances that you could get. For example, Maison Francis Kurkdjian Bonsoir, they have that there, and if you get sent that, then it's a very good deal and you'll get to try that fragrance. But the point of this is you getting to try a new fragrance, and when you smell it in the shops, it's not going to smell the same. For example, so if I sprayed this one on, I don't like the top note of this fragrance because I don't like the way the fresh aquatic nature of it mixes with the lavender. So if I was in the shop, I wouldn't pick this up. I wouldn't think about it, because I wouldn't let this have a chance to dry down. But as this fragrance dries down, it gets better because the lavender sort of evaporates and you just get a fresh, musky fragrance. And to be honest with you, overall I like this fragrance. So in that sense, it would be worth me getting this fragrance from PerfumeSplash, because it would have been an instant pass if I saw it in the shops. So to summarize, they send you a random fragrance from the fragrance class that you choose. Some fragrances won't be worth it, because some of the fragrances they have, you may even be able to get a full bottle for cheaper than the price, which I find that very bad. But personally, if you get a better fragrance that you haven't tried before and that becomes your signature scent, then this is completely 100% worth it, because it's done its job. So overall, you make the decision. If you want to try them, you can try them. Scent subscription services, I think they're a good idea, but I don't think that a cheaper fragrances should be on there, because sometimes with this you don't really get very good value. So thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Raian.AQI. Nearly 100 subscribers. Make us get there. Thanks so much for your support, and remember guys, stay scented.